All right, my loves, I'm just out here walking on sunshine. You get what I'm saying? Walking on sunshine. Oh, listen, Dollar Tree has the Touchland hand sanitizer, moisturizer, and hand sanitizer, almond vanilla scented, $1.25. And I know these, the people be going crazy for these. Now, they also have the mocha coffee scented as well. Two new scents at Dollar Tree. This is given for edition, $1.25. They definitely have a few of these. So if you're looking for hand sanitizer, they definitely have them. Hey, my loves, is it okay for me to deliver? Is it okay for me to deliver? I got my youngest son, Javon, in the back. We just moving and grooving. Check these Dollar Tree items out. Hey, my loves, so today, yes, today we are at the Dollar Tree in Bayonne, New Jersey. My loves, did you guys see these? Did you, I just want to know, I just need to make sure I'm delivering. These are scented candles, $1.25. Fragrance free, mineral oil free, paraben free, and alcohol free. Listen. You thought I delivered before? Now this one you can smell. This one you can smell. Do I have to tell you, I got the shades on. We're about to deliver. And that's straight words to the mother and the brother. Let's get into this Dollar Tree haul, shall we? Okay, family, so is the packaging for me with these scented candles. You get what I'm saying? Let's see exactly how they smell. I just believe they're gonna hit, And now this one is Sugar Pine. Oh, child, I'm definitely on time, girl. Now, this is pretty much how it looks. This was me in a mind of my uniform when I was a kid. I went to Catholic school, St. Patrick's. Definitely is giving that type of vibe. I think they put more emphasis, in this case, on the packaging as opposed of the scented can. I have another one. This one is called Winter Magic. Look how cute this is. All right. Now, this one, you can smell it a little. This one smells like cinnamon. The crimson cranberry, it always hits. It's always an amazing thing. This one you can smell. This one you can smell. Gel. Really, really cute. Love this. These are so cute for the little kids. This is the mini silicone basting brush. Look at this. With Garfield. Chill, won't he do it? So they have Smurfs, Garfield. They also have the 2-pack utensils over here. Smurfs, the fork and a spoon. Love this. They also have the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. This is cute. Now, if you guys are looking for a 3-pack silly straws, Dollar Tree definitely has them. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Minnie Mouse, and SpongeBob. And also Mickey Mouse. Listen. You thought I delivered before? Honey, have you seen these? Look at this. This is from Spa-scriptions. Now, let me tell you something about Spa-scriptions. They have this serum that I use practically every day. I have it on my face now. It's called Glow. Now, that Glow is the best of the best, not like the rest. You get what I'm saying? Now, this is the hydrogel under eye pads with vitamin C and glycolic acid. 15-minute eye therapy, 4 pairs of eye treatments. Can we say a steal deal like Holyfield? Now, this is $1.25. How cute is this? But hold on, child, it gets better. They also have the pore smoothing corrector. This has retinol in it. Now, retinol is normally for nighttime. Spa-scriptions, they out here delivering $1.25. Now, Spa-scription said, listen, Linda, we ain't only going to give you, 3 items. We got to keep on delivering for the beauties out there. Spa-scriptions, they also have the black mask, peel off mask, natural charcoal powder, minimize, smooth, strengthen, 20 to 30 minute facial therapy, $1.25. They also have the St. Ives. Now, Honey, come on, Dollar Tree. Really, this ain't Obs. Now, we seen this a few weeks ago. Now, this is it. Exfoliates the skin to lift away dead skin cells. This is $1.25. How dope is that? So I heard that you was looking for, some lip glosses. Dollar Tree has the Beauty Intuition lip gloss, Hydrate and Nourishing. This one is Mauve. I think that's how you pronounce it. They also have the light pink. They just definitely in a place to be. $1.25 as well. Now, if you fancy girls was looking for the LA Color, the shimmer eyeshadow, they definitely brought a few of these back in. Check this out. All right, so somebody said they was looking for the shimmer loose eyeshadow powder. Dollar Tree has the gold. They also have the purple. They also have the white over here. Really, really cool. They also have the jelly lip balms. These are $1.25 as well. And looky, cookie. This is cute with the ornaments. All right, my loves, I heard that you was looking for decor, Christmas decor. You also was looking for some candles, beauty items, okay? And I got you covered. That's words of the mother and the brother. Let's get into this, shall we? Let's go. We also have these runners over here. She's a runner, she's a track star. These are $5. They also have the decor signs, Noel over here. What about the Christmas stakes, okay? These candy canes, absolutely love this. Now, look at this. Cookies. These bells. You can ring my bell. Ring my bell. Really cute. So they come in 3 different colors. They have the red, they have the gold, and then they also have the silver. Now, Dollar Tree has another amazing item. This is the doormats. Now, I always tell you ladies, you buy the doormat, you don't be one. This is Happy Holidays with Santa moving and grooving. Got the penguins, the reindeer. They just having a jolly old time. Now, this is $5, I believe. Now, Dollar Tree also have these plush throws over here, giving up Christmas theme. Love this. Green is my favorite color. Now, if you guys are looking for plush throws that are not Christmas themed, Dollar Tree definitely has them. Now, these are the printed plush throws. Love this. Oh, child, look how cutie. Now, this is a set of 5 washcloths. These are so gorgeous. Christmas themes, honey. Check them out. This is what it's all about. Really, really nice. Honey, you ain't got to think twice with these. Now, another amazing item that Dollar Tree has. Now, this is a dupe, okay? This is the dupe from Bath and Body Works. Well, Bath and Body Works. And let's see, this is a laundry fragrance. This is the fragrance boosters. Okay, I see where they went with this. Exactly where they went with this. This is the pink champagne, $1. Now, when it comes to the wallpaper, Dollar Tree is definitely out here. This wallpaper with the butterflies, absolutely love this. This is $1.25. They also have this one. This one is like more so on a plain Jane side. This one is definitely by far my fave. And then they also have the gold and white, another one of my faves. They have the gold and blue over here, and these are really, really great if you are living in an apartment and you just want to decorate it, just put a little spazz on it, on the walls, that is. These would definitely do. Very inexpensive. Love this. Now, Dollar Tree also have these decals over here, like Patrol. Let me see. They also have Minecraft. Oh, really nice. Now, another item that Dollar Tree has is these 2-in-1 flashlights. This is good for emergencies, if the power goes out or anything like that. They come in 2 different colors. They have the orange and also the black. These are $1.50. Now, my loves, I heard you was looking for some slippers. Okay, Dollar Tree definitely had these men's slippers, but I say, they're unisex. You can wear them too if you want to. Check these out. So when it comes to the men's slippers, Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be. Now, in my opinion, they not as soft as these. Now, these are really, really soft. I absolutely love these. This is like, the fake Uggs. But honey, for $5, I think that is really a steal deal. They also have the different sizes for the men's slippers, 10 to 11, 12 to 13. And this is pretty much what they have. If you guys are looking for hats, scarves, gloves, Dollar Tree definitely has them. For the children, earmuffs. For the adults, they have them. Now, if you guys are looking for some Snuggadoo socks, I like these. These are so, so cute to me. These are $1.50. Now, lovelies, if you guys are looking for something that is good for your feet, so this is the Repair. It has any vitamin C and shea butter, okay? Now, they also have the one that is smooth. This one, they have. And when I tell you, these things are really, really good. So this one, it exfoliates your feet, $1.25. Excellent. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have the hand cream. This is limited edition spa luxury. You get 2 of these for $1.25. This is a steal deal. If you guys are looking for some wipes that are absolutely amazing, and not only are they amazing, they smell delightful. This is infused with hydrate and aloe vera, vitamin E face and body, Brazilian wipes, notes of pistachio, and also salted caramel. You get 30 of these for $1.25. Love this. You also have these shower steamers, spiced apple wine, $1.25. Autumn breeze wine. And these are pretty much the 2 cents that they have when it comes to the steamers. If you guys are looking for body wash, Dollar Tree has the cinnamon pumpkin moisturizing body wash and also the red velvet. The red velvet, the scent doesn't last that long in my opinion. And I just got that from me sniffing, the opening this up and, smelling it. It just don't last that long in my opinion. The scent, it dies down. Now, Dollar Tree also have this amazing, now this is what the girls say, hair milk, hydrate, and leave-in conditioner. This is $1.25. They also have the Brazilian Mist leave-in conditioner, $1.25, just like those wipes we just seen, notes of pistachio and salted caramel. Nourishing leave-in condition, sun-ripened strawberries and cream. If you are coming to Dollar Tree and you're looking for a gel and you have hair like me, honey, this is not it. This is not it, honey. Now, when it comes to hair accessories, Dollar Tree always have the hair accessories. These are so cute. Now, this one, okay, $1.25. They also have these over here. Those are cute. Claw clips, jaw clips. Dollar Tree definitely has them. I absolutely love these claw clips. Look at these with the butterflies. These are so gorgeous. And then they also have the 4-piece butterflies. They also have the bobby pins. Really, really amazing. They also have these claw clips as well. Oh, look at this. This is nice. If you guys are looking for some cozy socks, Dollar Tree has the SpongeBob SquarePants socks. Look at this, Patrick. They have SpongeBob. They also have the M&M, Kool-Aid, Doritos. What's your favorite flavor of Doritos? If you eat Doritos, child. I like the red ones. This one is the Cool Ranch. The Cool Ranch, I don't know. It seems like they be so dry. They also have the Cheetos, the Flamin' Hots. Another item that Dollar Tree had brought back is the purple toothpaste instant teeth color correction. Is it Evo? I think that's how you pronounce it. Evo. Okay, this was okay. We still have this on my sink as we speak, and I brought this a few months ago. Okay, so I don't know what you could do with that information. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Guru Nada, the Oxyburst Whitening Mouthwash, up to 3 shades whiter as quickly as 2 weeks, $1.25. Now, when it comes to drinks at Dollar Tree, oh my goodness, these are so good. $1.25. Oh, $1.50. Oh, excuse me. Dollar Tree said, this ain't $1. This ain't what it is. It's $1.50. Telling people the correct price. Now, Dollar Tree also have these oven mitts. Life happens, coffee helps. This is $1.50. Now, one thing about these oven mitts, honey, you better hurry up and take their food out, okay? Because these are a little on the thin side. Now, they also have the Hello 4 oven mitt. This is cute. $1.50. All right, so other items that Dollar Tree has when it comes to the Christmas theme. Look at this. Oven mitt, let it snow. Winter wishes, they have these practically every year. They also have the kitchen tower with the candy canes. Kitchen towel with Santa, ho, ho, ho. Don't be a. Now, they also have this one as well. Now, Dollar Tree also have Let Us Know kitchen towels. I like these, the sweet as Christmas cookie kitchen towels. These are so gorgeous. Dollar Tree also have these cool silicone Tavert. I think that's how you pronounce it. Honey, correct me in the comments. You know I don't care. This is the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. They also have the SpongeBob, Smurfs, and then they also have Garfield. If you guys are looking for silicone breakfast molds, they definitely have them. Now, so far, the Smurfs. And then, honey, just Garfield, okay? Alright, family, let us know what was your favorite items. Mine's definitely was, they had a few. Those beauty finds with the subscriptions, the under eye therapy or whatever, those was absolutely gorgeous. Now, subscriptions, they products are normally good. I know for me, that serum, it was, honey, it eats. Now, also, those candles, the box, I just feel like they put more so in the marketing of the box as opposed to the scent of the candle. That's my opinion. Now, let us know, okay, in the comment section, what was your favorite item that you guys seen in a video, and then what are some of the items that you guys are looking to purchase on your next Dollar Tree run. With that being said, I love you guys. Keep rocking out, believing in yourselves, keep going, keep growing. Until next time, don't drop the dime. Peace.